I'm sure you've heard the news. Rights in the US can be tricky. Let's untangle it. In the US, some constitutional rights apply to everyone, while others are reserved for citizens. The First Amendment gives everyone freedom of speech, religion, and assembly. This means anyone, regardless of citizenship, can express their opinions, practice their faith, and gather peacefully. The Fourth Amendment protects against unreasonable searches, and the Fifth ensures due process. This means that everyone, including non-citizens, is protected from arbitrary searches and has the right to fair legal procedures. These protections apply to all people, including non-citizens, ensuring basic rights and freedoms. But some rights are only for U.S. citizens. For example, only citizens can vote in federal elections. The 15th and 19th Amendments guarantee the right to vote, regardless of race or sex. This means that all citizens, regardless of their background, have the right to participate in elections. The 24th and 26th Amendments also focus on voting rights, banning poll taxes and setting the voting age at 18. This ensures that financial barriers and age restrictions do not prevent citizens from voting. And remember, the Second Amendment's right to bear arms is regulated, often restricted for felons. This means that while citizens have the right to own firearms, there are legal limitations to ensure public safety. Voting rights can also be limited based on state laws, especially for those with felony convictions. Some states restore voting rights after serving a sentence, while others may impose additional restrictions. So while many rights are universal in the U.S., some key ones are reserved for citizens, highlighting the unique privileges of citizenship. Clear as a bell? Now you know. Let's dive deeper into the differences between citizens and non-citizens. Non-citizens, including permanent residents, have many of the same rights as citizens, but there are notable exceptions. For instance, non-citizens cannot vote in federal elections or run for federal office. Non-citizens can work in the U.S., but some government jobs are reserved for citizens. This includes positions that require security clearances or involve national security. Non-citizens can also serve in the military, but certain positions and clearances are restricted to citizens. This ensures that sensitive information and roles are handled by those with full allegiance to the U.S. Education is another area where rights differ. Public schools must provide education to all children, regardless of citizenship. This means that every child has the right to attend school and receive an education. However, non-citizens may face different tuition rates and financial aid options in higher education. For example, non-citizens might not qualify for federal student aid and may have to pay higher out-of-state tuition rates. Access to healthcare can also vary. Emergency services are available to all, but non-citizens may have limited access to other healthcare programs. This means that while immediate medical care is provided, long-term healthcare options may be restricted. Legal protections are robust, but non-citizens may face additional challenges in the legal system, such as deportation risks. This means that while non-citizens have the right to legal representation, they may also face immigration-related consequences. Becoming a citizen grants full access to all constitutional rights, including the right to vote and run for public office. This means that naturalized citizens enjoy the same rights and responsibilities as those born in the U.S. Understanding these differences helps us appreciate the unique aspects of citizenship and the protections it offers. Citizenship not only provides additional rights, but also comes with responsibilities and a deeper connection to the country. Clear as a bell? Now you know.